Now, let's take a look at the UCC data sales. UCC data sales allows you to download data files of all the UCC and UCC/CNS filings in the system. So that is the UCC index and the UCC/CNS index will be contained in these files. First, we go to Data Report Subscriptions, and we click Data Subscription. Short message about what you're about to purchase. The files are available in either CSV or Excel format. CSV stands for comma-separated values. Click Continue. You have two choices. Either the UCC database refresh, which is the complete database up until the last time it was generated. Databases are generated on a bi-monthly basis, and you will be able to select the most recent version of the database only. So twice a month you can log in and get the latest version if you need the complete database, and it will be updated up until the last set generation point. The UCC data is a 4-week update. So if you choose to first purchase the complete database and then every month purchase only the previous month's filings, you can do that. This way you will have the complete database, and as new filings occur every month you update the additional filings by purchasing the weekly update. I'm going to click the UCC data 4-week update and click Continue. In this test environment, we only have one set of files for you to purchase. Normally, there will be a number of filings of recent files generated that you may select from, unlike in the UCC database refresh, where there will always only be the latest version of the database. Here, I would have the choice to select one or more files to download, each file representing a month's worth of filings. In this test environment, we only have test data, so they are not a complete month, and it does not constantly be updated as it would be in production. The rows in this screen will give you the from date and the to date, comprising the date range of all the filings contained in this file, and the amount of filings, the filing count, the filing size in megabytes that you have to download, and the fee. Once again, this is a test environment, so the dates do not reflect what would be seen in the production environment, where we would see a date from 1 month to the same day in another month, exactly 30 days apart, and it would be updated every month. I'm going to click Continue. Assuming I'd selected multiple files, here we would have totaled up the fees for all of them, and the total fees would have been presented. Since I only selected one file, I just have one line, and the total fee is still $500. Now I'm going to click Process Sales. Once again, go through the payment process and pay securely using credit card. Now, our Done screen informs us the data files we downloaded will be in the Data Subscriptions inbox on the dashboard. I can print my receipt from here, and if I click Done, I will return to the dashboard. Now, the files I just purchased have now been added to my data subscriptions. I click on that. I see the information on the file, the date range and the count and the filing size, and I can click on Download to download the file. Remember, based on your browser settings, you might want to click Save As and select a specific folder on your drive to download the file so that it's not downloaded to a temporary location, and you can easily keep track of it. Once it's downloaded, I can click on Open Folder. It has been downloaded as a zip file, the UCC data 4-week update. I need to use some sort of zipping utility, such as 7-zip, which is a freely downloadable software, to extract the files before I can look at them. Once I've extracted the files to a folder, I can view them. We have the CNS collateral file, debtor, filing details, lien details, secured party, and UCC collateral. These are all the different tables of information that go together to make up the filings. If you are using data sales, you probably have a relational database which you can upload these files into, or you can simply open them in an Excel sheet and use the data however you need to generate whatever reports that you need. And when we click back, we return to the dashboard.